there. And you can't see your head. Tilt her up a little bit. Here we go.
Cities in the United States constantly face the everyday problem of traffic. According to Forbes.com, Los Angeles is the worst city in the United States when it comes to traffic. Drivers lose 102 hours every year due to traffic jams. This traffic is due to a densely packed area with very few alternatives to automobile travel. This is not the only city where this type of problem occurs. Cities such as New York and San Francisco spend around 91 and 79 hours yearly in traffic. As you can see, this is not just a big problem for one big city. Although it is a new company with doubters, I strongly believe that transportation and traffic problems can be solved by the Boring Company and their new way of pedestrian transportation. First of all, the Boring Company is a tunnel construction company that was founded in 2016 by Elon Musk. The whole goal of the company is to build tunnels cheaper, more efficient, and more frequently to eliminate the traffic problems in major cities. The amazing thing about the company is that it is 100% privately funded, even though tunneling is an extremely expensive process. According to the company's website, theboringcompany.com, tunnels are the most reasonable way for bettering the traffic system for a couple of reasons. First, the tunnels can be built on a number of different levels underground. There is not one surface where the tunnels have to be built on, like roads being built on the ground. Second, the tunnels are unaffected by weather. And finally, tunnel construction does not affect the everyday lives of pedestrians. It is very quiet and won't be seen by the public. Therefore, it won't interfere with the closing of any roads on the Earth's surface. Next, the company's main project involving tunnels is known as Loop. According to theboringcompany.com, Loop is a high-speed underground public transportation system in which passengers are transported on autonomous electric skates traveling at 125 to 150 miles per hour. Electric skates will carry between 8 and 16 passengers, or a single passenger vehicle. The design of the Loop is to include these pod-like structures that are located on the sides of streets. Each pod is decked out with a climate-controlled cabin and Wi-Fi. To access, you simply drive onto the electric skate. These skates return every 30 seconds and bring you down an elevator shaft beneath the traffic underground. From there, you are sent towards your destination through a tunnel. When you arrive at your destination, the electric skate vertically climbs back up to the surface and drops you or your car off back on the road. The beauty of these electric skates is that they don't have to stop from point A to point B. People can make the argument saying that these are going to be the same things as subways, but they're wrong. A subway follows a looping path with multiple stops along the way. For a pedestrian to commute to work and get from point A to point B, they have to stop and wait at the stops that are between those 2 points. They don't have the option to bypass these stops and directly reach their desired location on time. Whenever the loop is completed, it will prioritize on pedestrians and cyclists before cars. Just transporting pedestrians would even decrease traffic on the surface because of less people driving into the city. Overall, the loop makes a commute much more personal and precise and would help to eliminate heavy traffic in dense downtown areas. Finally, many people doubt the loop and its ability to actually transport pedestrians efficiently and to reduce traffic. Herbert Einstein, an MIT engineering professor, made a comment to Forbes stating that Elon Musk's tunnel design is easier said than done. He stated his machines that build tunnels look pretty standard. I've not seen anything from him that is different from what other people do except for the smaller diameter. Well, the difference between Musk and other people making tunnels is that he has the money. Another big fear of the doubters are earthquakes. However, according to theboringcompany.com, tunnels, when designed properly, are known to be one of the safest places to be during an earthquake. From a structural safety standpoint, the tunnel moves uniformly with the ground in contrast to surface structures. For people who say that this project will harm the environment, the electric skates are zero-emission vehicles. And for those who are concerned about the safety, the tunnels aren't built with any flammable materials and there is no third rail. The third rail is what provides power and electricity to subways and is very deadly. Although there are many factors of the loop to doubt or to be concerned about, the Boring Company has its answers. In conclusion, the Boring Company is the best solution to solving the traffic problem in U.S. cities. Today, time is everything, and it is something that people value. Time spent in traffic after work is wasted time that can be given back with the help of the loop. Even though it is a new company with lots of doubters, I believe that the loop will provide a long-term solution to the traffic catastrophe in cities not only in the U.S. but around the world. Thank you, guys.